Did you see Bobby Nugget over there?
Oh, hottie.
I know. I can be Mrs. Nugget.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Let's go say hi.
Let's say hi.
Let's say hi.
Okay.
Bobby! Did you see Bobby with Andrea?
I know. How could he? He broke your heart.
And Andrea, why was she dead?
I don't know. You know what? It's okay. We're here to party. We're gonna have a good time. Okay.
Oh well, Bobby Davidson always looks good in his little Letterman jacket. Over it.
Okay, it's okay. There's plenty of other better guys out there.
He's better.
Hey, I'm gonna go now, Joanna. I'll catch you later.
Bye. Jana, you know where my keys are at? Oh, look at the floor.
Oh my god. Joanna! Joanna? 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 Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Joanna, what happened to you?
Oh.
What are you saying? Joanna! This is not the time for games! I think you're... Oh, okay. Joanna, take it out of your mouth! Okay. We need to get out of here, seriously. I think there's a psycho on the way.
You think?
Okay, let's go. Joanna! I think I have to untie you first. Yeah. Here, eat this. Hold this. Okay, come on. We can do this.
I think it's him. Hello? Hello? Mr. Serial Killer? Is that you? Oh, okay, well, don't be shy. Shy. You know what? He's coming.
Okay, just put it on your mouth. It's so
Wait, did you start the recording now?
Yeah, this is recording.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, do it again.
No, okay.
Hello?